I'm Saru and I bring to you the reading for personal and spiritual growth for the upcoming week. The rune I've gotten is Fehu. Fehu stands for abundance. It tells me that as long as you're moving away from stagnation, as long as you are in action, anything that you set your mind on, personally and spiritually, shall be attained. Fehu brings you abundance of all kinds, especially materialistic. So do not forget to use all your resources in hand to help you progress on any journey you want to undertake at a personal or spiritual level. It's going to be a great week. Achieve those goals, go after them, and have a great week.
कैसे हैं आप सब? मैं हूं आपकी दोस्त, आपकी साथी मीनू, और मैं लेकर आई हूं इस कमिंग वीक के लिए आपकी रीडिंग फॉर योर रिलेशनशिप। तो इस बार जो रूम मुझे मिला है वो है दगास। ये एक बहुत ही पॉजिटिव रूम है। ये कहता है, ये बात करता है नई सुबह की शुरुआत के बारे में, नए आयाम, नए रास्तों के बारे में। दोस्तों, ये समय है अपनी पुरानी पिछली बातों को भूलकर नए तरीके से ज़िंदगी शुरू करने का। अपने दिल और दिमाग को शांत करके, अलाइन करके अपने अंतर्मन की आवाज़ सुनने का। और अगर आप प्रैक्टिकल होकर समझदारी से काम लेंगे तो खुशियाँ ज़रूर आपके दरवाजे पर दस्तक देंगी। विश्वास रखिएगा। स्टे पॉजिटिव, स्टे ब्लेस्ड एंड स्टे कनेक्टेड। डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब। मिलते हैं आपसे नए वीक में नई रीडिंग के साथ। तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखिएगा, अपने अपनों का ख्याल रखिएगा और हमारे चैनल से जुड़े रहिएगा। थैंक यू, बाय बाय।
Hi friends, I bring to you the reading for this coming week, that is 24th of May to the 30th of May. The aspect that I am going to talk about is about health. The rune that I picked is Evas. This rune says that we need to surrender to the divine. We need to surrender to that infinite power which is going to take care of us. When we say surrender, there should be some amount of trust. There should be a strong faith that there is a supreme which is going to take care of us. We shouldn't resist to all that is happening. We shouldn't fear, because when we fear, we know that there is definitely, we are not in alignment with the divine. Hence, we should cast out fear and resist we should not go with fear. Do not resist to whatever it is happening. Just surrender, trust. And at the same time, when we say trust, you have to spend time in prayer, in meditation, in being in one with God, in being in one with the divine. And be fearless and be strong. Stay safe till the next week, till we come to you again with a new set of reading.
Hi, today I'm going to talk to you about wealth, and the rune that I got is monsoon. It is a positive rune, so be cheerful. You're going to get a very good expert. So the thing about that I'm going to tell you about the wealth is, you are going to get a good financial week this time, but you shouldn't have that fear. No risk. It doesn't mean that you have to take risk. And no worries, because when wealth is coming, welcome it and extract the thing happily. Whatever the earnings are, receive it happily. Thank you. Have a nice day.